Alright guys, I'm going to show some of the new things in the new interface for Tastytrade. Dashboard has some general news. It's a little bit cleaner than it was before. Like how it shows earnings of recent stocks coming up. Go to trading tab. The positions, you could still see your groupings if you had them in the previous one. Now if you want to do a new grouping, let's say I want to group my naked puts, just left click on the ones you want. Click on actions, group positions, and then type in a name. You type your delta, your DTE when you enter the trades, usually useful. And then I have all the naked puts on one side. Sometimes I write where I stop out at. And you can still do the working take profit orders. So for instance, if I wanted to close this, just click it, actions, close position. And you can do default one, or if you have one-on-one contracts, that's what you do when you want. And the order tab here is pretty similar. Quantity, still good. You could change the limit price up and down here. On the trade tab, a few things that I look at. You click on the gear icon on the right. The stuff I leave is PL, day open, probably a profit, just shows a percent that I'm gonna work out. Delta, bid, ask, current price. I like present. The PL open percent bar, PL open change is very similar. PL open present is probably a more useful one. Shows a percent that you're up on that position. And then PL open, helpful to see how much you have in certain positions. Like right now, this ES position is up $52, so it's helpful to visualize that. So I like percent and open, but you could fiddle around the different settings here. There's a lot here. But these are, I'll just leave this up here. So these are the ones that I use. Couple requirements not always accurate because I might have multiple positions and multiple places. So I don't really refer to it too much on that. And the trade tab, still going to type in what you want. Say I'm trying to sell a naked MES. Click on this here. Go to the days to expiration. Click on the bid, very similar to the last one. So for instance, we're going to look around 26 days out for the next naked put. And as it is now, I'd look around the 4200s or so, but the market didn't finish yet. So just click on the bid. Clicking it, not coming. That's weird. Well, anyway, you click on the bid. It should work. Oh, strategy. Okay. And there it is, just delayed a little bit. All right. So if you click on it, you'll see natch, mid. Try to get the midpoint if you're looking to fill it. And then you can slowly go down. Do the natural, resend. Very similar to before. You can increase the strikes, increase your quantities, expirations, all that stuff. When you're in a position and if you want to close it at a certain percent, so click actions, close, and then you can put it at the price you want to close it at. And then I usually do good till canceled. These are good for looking at like 50% profit on a strangle, for instance. You can just calculate the 50%, good till canceled. And then you'll see the working positions. I already have some up for ones that I'm trying to close at a certain price. And that's mostly the main things. Just fiddle around with it for a little bit. If you have any questions, let me know. Relatively straightforward once you get the hang of it. And I'll see you guys in the Discord.